Awning windows are a stylish and functional choice for Orangeburg homeowners. With their unique design that opens outward from the top, they provide excellent ventilation, natural light, and protection from the elements, even during a light rain. If you're considering installing awning windows in your home, it's essential to understand the process, benefits, and factors involved. This guide offers a comprehensive overview of what Orangeburg residents should know about awning window installation. Why choose awning windows? Awning windows are versatile and suitable for a variety of home styles, from modern designs to more traditional aesthetics. Here's why they're a popular choice in Orangeburg. Enhanced ventilation. Their outward opening design promotes airflow while keeping out rain. Energy efficiency. Awning windows can be fitted with insulated glass and weathertight seals, ideal for Orangeburg's hot summers and cooler winters. Compact design. These windows work well in tight spaces, such as above sinks or in bathrooms, without sacrificing functionality or light. Modern aesthetic. Awning windows add a sleek, contemporary touch to any home, complementing the diverse architectural styles seen throughout Orangeburg. Pre-installation consideration. Before starting the installation process, it's important to consider several factors to ensure a successful project. Window placement. And awning windows are highly versatile, but placement matters. Consider areas where ventilation is crucial, such as bathrooms, kitchens, or basements. Awning windows also pair well with fixed windows to create a unique design while maximizing light and airflow. Material options. Awning windows come in various materials, including wood, vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum. Each material has its own benefits. Vinyl, low maintenance and energy efficient. Aluminum, durable and sleek, suitable for modern designs. Wood, classic and elegant but requires regular upkeep. Fiberglass, strong, long-lasting, and energy efficient. Energy efficiency. Opt for energy efficient features like double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and gas fills to reduce energy costs and keep your home comfortable. Local building code. Orangeburg residents should be aware of local building codes and regulations regarding window installations. A professional installer will ensure compliance, but it's helpful to be informed about any restrictions or guidelines. The installation process. Here's what to expect during the installation of your awning windows. Assessment and measurement. And a professional installer will visit your home to measure the window openings and assess the condition of the existing frames or walls. Precise measurements are crucial for a secure and energy-efficient fit. Preparation. The installation team will prepare the area by removing the old window, if applicable, and cleaning the opening to ensure a smooth installation. They may also address issues like rot or damage to the surrounding frame. Installation of the new window. The new awning window is carefully fitted into the opening, aligned, and secured. The installer will ensure it is level and plumb before fastening it in place. Proper sealing with weatherproof materials is crucial to prevent drafts and water infiltration. Finishing touches. Once the window is installed, the edges are sealed with caulk or other weatherproofing materials, and interior trim or casing is added for a polished look. The installer will also test the crank mechanism and hinges to confirm smooth operation. Cleanup and inspection. The team will clean up any debris and review the installation with you to ensure satisfaction. DIY versus professional installation. While some Orangeburg homeowners may consider a DIY approach, professional installation is strongly recommended for awning windows. Professionals bring expertise, specialized tools, and knowledge of building codes, ensuring the job is done right the first time. A professional installer can also help you choose the best materials and features for your specific needs. Maintenance after installation. Once your awning windows are installed, proper maintenance will ensure their longevity and performance. Regularly clean the glass and frames, inspect the seals, and lubricate the hinges to keep your windows functioning smoothly. Why work with local Orangeburg experts? Choosing a local window installation professional has distinct advantages. Orangeburg experts understand the area's climate and architectural styles, ensuring your awning windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, local installers are familiar with building codes and can provide personalized service to meet your needs. Conclusion. Awning windows are an excellent investment for Orangeburg homeowners, offering a combination of style, functionality, and energy efficiency. By understanding the installation process, considering key factors, and working with experienced professionals, you can enjoy the benefits of your new windows for years to come. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or adding a fresh look to your home, awning windows can enhance your property's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. Reach out to a trusted Orangeburg window installation expert today to get started on your project.